Hi guys, welcome back to Awida's Kitchen. Today I'll be preparing curried goat. So I'm going to start by seasoning my goat now. So just enjoy the video. Okay guys, so here is my goat. I have 3 pounds of goat here. And I have my powdered season, which contains of garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose season, special jerk, and celery, salt, and curry powder. So I'm going to put all of these on my goat. And I'm also going to have my green season, which contains of scallion and thyme and onion, garlic, and pepper. And I also have a tablespoon of coconut oil. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I would normally use gloves on my hand, but I don't have any at this moment. So I'm not going to use the spoon also. I'm going to use my hands to combine the season. Okay, guys? My hands are clean. Make sure every piece of meat get a touch of the season. Okay guys, this look like it could take some more curry, although whenever time I'm going to prepare it, I'm going to burn some curry also. Just give me a minute. I'm going to get some more curry powder. Here is the curry powder. Hope everyone is staying safe, you know, guys. And wear your mask. Okay, I'm adding my curry. So I'm going to rub it in. And I'm using Indian curry. Guys, if you have masala, you could use it. But I have none today. Hope you're enjoying this video, guys. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Here is my seasoned goat that has been marinated overnight. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some oil in my pot and start burning my curry. So here it is. I'm going to add some oil. Yes, guys. Hope everyone is doing okay. I'm going to add garlic. Let me get my curry. I'm going to let my curry burn with the garlic. Let it burn for a couple of seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna add my meat to my pot. Oh man, this smells so good. Wow. Smells so good. Okay, let me try and see if I could take out everything. I don't want to spill any, you know. Good. So I'm going to cover this now and allow it to spring some water. Wow. So guys, you see, you don't have to put any water in it because it starts to sweat its own water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave this again for about 45 minutes and then I check back on it because sometimes the meat can be very hard to cook. Okay guys? So I'm checking back on it after 45 minutes. Alright, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add some water from my kettle. And I'm going to let this cook for the next half an hour because I want this meat to get tender enough. Yes. Okay, I'm going to test back this meat now. It has been cooking for an hour and 10 minutes. Good tough. So let's see if I can put in my season now. Okay, cook now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my Irish potato and the rest of my seasoning. Give me a minute. So guys, I'm going to add my Irish potato. I'm going to add a small amount of carrots. And some more of my green seasoning. Looking really good. I'm gonna add some more water. So I add some more water. So I'm gonna let my Irish and my carrot cook. I'm gonna taste the salt. Looking real good and I know it tastes good too. Yes, it's okay. Tastes good, you see? But okay, tastes good. Alright, I'm going to allow this to cook now, finish cook. And then I'm going to serve it with some white rice. So guys, my curry goat is finished. So I'm going to plate it right now. So guys, I'm going to share out my curry goat now. So guys, here is my finished product, curry goat served with white rice. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.